ears for the hearing. Come, let Zoltar tell you more.
What happened to his head?
Oh, it's his hat, not his head. Someone's tried to steal his hat.
Zoltar?
Are you okay, bro? Are you okay? Good morning. It is really early in the morning and we're in Brussels airport again. Our final destination is BlizzCon, of course, this weekend. We have a layover in Atlanta and after that we're flying to LA. We should be arriving in LA somewhere tonight. We're still waiting right now. We're going to board in just a few, well, let's say half an hour or something like that.
We will be ready to travel back in time.
Yeah, it is back in time. Oh my god. See you guys in Atlanta. I think we made it. I think we're in Los Angeles right now. I'm not sure.
I have to carry 2 bags. It's crazy.
Carry. Look at this, man. This is just crazy. It's 7 p.m. I guess, something like that. And this airport is buzzing. But yeah, we made it to LA. And we're kind of waiting for a bus to take us to the rental place so we can pick up our car and drive to Anaheim. But the temperatures are really nice. It's nice and warm, way better than it was in Belgium when we left, but we're really tired. We've been on an airplane for close to 20 hours or something like that, so yeah, we'll be happy when we're in bed. But first we need to get a car. What? So we're looking for the car spot D27. So that's not a coincidence, guys. They put me on spot D. D24 to 54. He said it was a small SUV. Okay, let's see, guys. 25, 26,
27.
D27. Is that a Texas plate?
Yes. It's a Kia.
It seems we're from Texas now. The first thing that we're going to do now is put all our luggage in the trunk and then we're going to go look for a Target or something like that because we need food. Hey lovely people, it is the second day of our journey and we're in Santa Monica. Let me do a little whirl. Can you hear the loud music? They love some loud music in their shopping malls. We're in Santa Monica, we're going to do a little tour later on. She's way too small. But first we're going to eat. So we're going to find a place to eat, have our, what is it, late breakfast?
Yeah, it's gonna be a brunch.
Brunch, it's even worse than a brunch actually, it's almost dinner time, but we had a lot of work this morning. But anyways, let's go find some food. So we made it out of the Cheesecake Factory. And we had a good dinner.
We're full.
We're full. It was so much. So now we're at Santa Monica Beach. Let me show you guys. That's Santa Monica Beach Walk. And over there you have Santa Monica Pier. If you ever played GTA 5, right there behind us is the place where the shrink lived.
The shrink?
The shrink, like the main character went to a shrink and
yeah,
his house was over there, and that's the first place where the other character stole a car, impounded a car. I always like coming here because it reminds me of the game. Now we're going down to the pier and walk around here at the beach side. Give you guys a small tour. What do you think about that? She's not interested at all. Look.
I was taking pictures.
She's lying.
For the hearing, come let Zoltar tell you more.
What happened to his head?
Well, it's his hat, not his head. Someone tried to steal his hat.
Zoltar? Are you okay?
Bro? Are you okay?
You should ask your fortune.
There's another one over there.
Yeah, maybe not a broken one.
Old school.
Let's play.
What are you
This one
waiting for?
still has.
Come on over.
Chill, man.
For a small fee.
Chill.
Zoltar will give you a wealth of wisdom.
How much is it? $1. It's $1, baby. Zoltar, take my money. What is he doing with his hand?
He's rubbing.
The great Zoltar here. Listen to this, your fortune, for I tell you it is true. The smallest good deed is better than the grandest intention. Take it from me, the great Zoltar. Intending shall get you nowhere, but doing, yes, that will bring you much reward.
Alright.
Provide Zoltar more treasure, and I will provide you with the depths of wisdom.
You guys take our money. What does it say?
it's time to start a new project. So
Another one?
Blizzard, if you're announcing a new game, Zoltar predicted it. So yeah, we were just filming in the arcade behind me, but you see, and he had Guitar Hero, and Hill was playing Guitar Hero. She was doing really well, but they asked us to stop filming, so you couldn't see that she got a high score. But she did well. She did really well. And now she's taking a picture of that beautiful sunset. I'm going to turn the camera so you guys can enjoy it too. Are you ready? No? Okay, I'll wait a little longer then. About now? Alright.
Let's go to the amusement park.
I want you to play this game.
The weight game. But you have to put money in it, right? Of course.
In every game. You want to do the roller coaster?
Yeah.
Okay, you go ahead. We're in the Disney store right now in Santa Monica. And I'm thinking of buying a shield. But Hilda tells me that this is not my color. It doesn't suit me.
You need the Reinhardt shield.
Reinhardt! I've always wanted one. It's 30 bucks and I have room. I have ample room in my suitcase.
But we can take Forky.
No, I don't know Forky. I haven't seen the new movie yet. I want this one.
My brother want a Woody.
Yeah, and that's how it always ends.
Yeah, he wants the bus, I want the Woody.
Laser at full power. Approaching destination. Re-engaging gravity. Area secure.
Guys, come on. She wants a Woody, I want...
Forky. Oh. Here he is. This is so much cooler, right? And he has like the thing on the back.
What? This is Forky. Trash? No, you're not going to the trash.
Okay, we're gonna take this one. Pull my finger. I'm not amused. This one is way cooler than Boss.
So tell me, does this make my ass look big? If this jacket existed in adult size, I would actually consider buying it.
Really?
I do. Look at these guys. It's just soft. They're really, really soft. And they're sleepy. This is the bad guy.
Yeah, but he's also. I think they have a more realistic one, like this
Oh
one.
my god. Yeah, I hadn't seen that one yet.
Yeah.
What is his name again?
Grumpy Bear. I don't know what his
no.
name is.
What's his name?
forgot.
He smells like strawberries, does he? He does smell like strawberries.
He does.